Wait, it's on?
Yeah, it's on now.
Okay. Yeah.
Wait, stop for a second. No, not here. You have to. You have to find a good spot to do it. I think here. Yeah. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Kamusta? Today we're going to the train station.
Going to Frankfurt.
And on the train.
And we have to go faster because they're going away.
Handshake. Ang tawag doon, what do you call that shake? Nothing. No, this is the station. Remember? The main station. Have you been here? This is the main station, Frankfurt. The biggest train station. You see lots of people there. Then sakay naman kayo. What is the next one, Malab?
Uban.
Uban. Okay, Uban naman. Uban is white hair in Tagalog.
Place for travel.
Really? Ate Kate said it's like we're in the airport. Airport ba to, ate? Airport feels.
Yeah.
We go down again there. Yeah? Tanggalin mo na yung mask mo na lang. Put in your pocket. Easy for you to grab.
It's broken.
No, in the other side. This is the old city daw. Old city to, Malap? New old city. New but old city.
Rebuilt.
They repaired. Okay.
Rebuilt.
Rebuilt. Okay.
The outside looks like the old one, the inside is new.
Okay. It's nice, no?
It costs 100 something.
Yeah, 180 euro. Oh, see?
Pottery.
Yeah, they make it by hand.
That's how it used to be.
This was the,
I bet it took them.
of course, to make.
Some of the stuff like
Look
the
down
tower here
here.
that still exists. Eschenheimer Turm is still there.
Old stuff, yeah? Let's take pictures. Snowing.
Das ist ein Kaffeehaus. War früher Apotheke.
Yan, likot na number 1. Likot it. It's a museum. It says it's a museum.
Ayan, ito.
Ito daw, kuya. Eintracht.
Oh, that's still creepy.
Creepy. Bakit creepy?
They're remaking that.
Really?
And that
Ang ganda ng mga structures. Ng mga paggawa. Very nice. Kuya! Kuya, may Mickey Mouse. May Mickey Mouse. Ayun o.
where?
Ayun o.
Oh, I
But I think you have to give money. Very thin body.
I look at the eye.
Yeah.
I don't see ears.
Their ears, oh, you know. Germany t-shirts. For Jersey. 16. Naulan na. Nag-back out si Ate. Are you scared of the clown? It's not scary. It's fun. He's asking. Oh, so we're going to the ship na pala. Mag-ship din kami dito sa city. So walking to the na tayo sa port. Sakay kami dyan. So, isa nag-snack na. Snack ng cucumber and apple. Nagutom. Hold it tight. Nagutom. Go to the love bridge. Slippery, ha? Be careful. Nice. Ang dami ng sushi. Ang dami nag-lock ng love nila dito. Ang dami nag-lock ng love dito, Ate Kate, no? Yeah, oh, diba? Long time. Maybe family and family and family. Family and family lock their love here. No. Nice. See? 2020.
Oh, 2020.
2020, yes. And then some look at this one, oh.
Look at this one.
That's so strong. 2018. Wow. This one, look.
94?
Yeah.
But it looks new.
No, maybe the anniversary. The anniversary. Not just the putting the key there. Yeah?
This is 2007.
That's the anniversary. That's wedding anniversary, probably.
And here's a big one again. This is a lock. This is a lock. Look, 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 look.
2012, Kuya. When you were born.
Mommy, look. This is a lock.
Yeah, I know. They don't want really to get their love by someone else. Daming
Put
words.
one lock.
Yeah, for family also.
Me and my dad and mommy, we put the lock.
Already?
Yeah, to somewhere. I don't remember.
Ah.
2001.
That was 2001?
No, it says here 01.
Oh, one, yeah, 2001. Wow.
That's before I was born?
Yeah, even Ate Kate, even
1990.
1993. 1990. Yeah, see?
That's a
Long time. Daming keys, oh.
Now look at this.
Look at this keys. All the way there on the...
It's not. It's super tiny.
Where? That's how tiny their love is.
There are colors.
Yeah. Going na, Felix! Yay! Felix! Ay, wow!
Und finanziert von der Stiftung Hirsch, präsentiert junge zeitgenössische Kunst.
Frankfurt's offers were filled at all times. Frankfurt's great poet, Johann Wolfgang von Goethe, writing his memoirs about this old bridge. The library was destroyed during World War II. Today, the reconstructed buildings host Frankfurt's so-called literature house, which serves as a venue for public readings.
Come.
Ich hab ein bisschen Angst.
Angst? Nein! No, don't scare. Come on.
Wow!
Come on.
In den letzten Jahren wird jährlich rund 1500 Schiffe be- und entladen und 2 Millionen Tonnen an Gütern und nahezu 40.000 Container umgeschlagen. Große Bedeutung hat auch der Schiffsverkehr von und nach Osteuropa über den Rhein-Donau-Kanal. Übrigens kann man im Osthafen wunderbare Jugendstil-Architektur entdecken, was kaum jemand weiß.
We're now entering the
Ate Kate.
of the Osthafen, East Harbour. This harbour was built 100 years ago at the cost of 50 million gold francs, the equivalent of about 2 billion euros today.
Yeah.
The harbour consists of 2 docks with a third
Sam.
base with the turning around. Here in the northern dock, the most frequent cargoes are sand, gravel, and recycling materials such as matured timber.
Nine, not for us, not for us, not for us, love. Nine, quiet. Look. Wow.
Over the last 5 years, a yearly average
Wow. Only your mommy is here. Stay here. Look lang. Look down. Look. Ate Kate. Ay. Why? 2 sausages, why?
Kribbelig, weil der Schäuble muss. Und ich habe dabei nachgehustet.
This is his first time, Yamala. How does he feel? Ask him. Kuya sausage. What is this sausage? Sausage? Frankfurt sausage.
Damit hätten wir fahren
He
wollen.
wants mayonnaise. Yeah, you want mayonnaise, love. Give Ate Kate na fries.
Wie hältst du denn das Messer?
Share kami ni Felix.
Ich hab eine Angel. Guck mal, ich hab eine Angel. Ich angel hier. Mayo.
Nakakalimutan nila yung food ni Papa. All of us are done na. Yeah. And Kuya na. And Papa na lang. Forgot the food. What did you order, Malap? Noodles. Wok. Okay. The Asian pa. Ito naman, dessert na, oh. Raisins, yeah? Favorite mo? Is that your favorite? Yes? Wow. You like it? You like it? Wow. Uh-oh. This is what you ordered. Took you so long. Okay na, sige na. Eat na, malap. Tapos na ang aming ride. Hababa na kami, ya, kuya. Kulit ng mga bata. Parang nakukulit ng kuya ate. Ang galing gawa nyo. Sa sand lang.
The money.
You wanna put the money? Hindi, on the ano.
I thought that was real.
No, eto kuya, bigyan mo siya ko. You see the plato?
Kanya, yeah. The thing? Okay. Wenn ich so eine Maschine hätte, darf ich auch
All na yan, wawa naman yan.
könnte, dann
Wala na yung coins lang. Galing, oh.
ja.
Ah. Tara.
Au!
Water. The sand. You put water on the sand. Ice cream sila. Kami pala.
Banana. Ja, Kirsche und Erdbeer.
Aber der Sam hat gestern eine Eis, den hat er auch im
Erdbeer.
Kirscheis, aber da war das rot. Ne? Guck, wie das Erdbeer war das an den Kirschen.
Sarap,
Deswegen hat er
Ate.
eben so geguckt. Also da ist
Chocolate.
Hä?
Kuya.
Pfefferminz. Minze,
So big, kuya.
Du bist ja das das weiß ich jetzt. Okay. Hier.
Down ka, ate. people don't see you have that camera. Na? Ate na? See, and even if you walk like this, your camera don't become shaky.
Yeah, don't
Give you.
move when you move.
Yeah. Trim na naman pala. You have to wait, yeah. Kailangan namin magmadali at ano na to, alis na. Aming train station. Train station, aming train. This one, Malap? Nine? Not yet. Here. I don't know. We don't know. Maybe this. Ba, nagsasayo. Oh. Chill go. Sorry. Dance ka muna, kuya. Dali ka na. Oh. Kaya mo yung kuya, ate. Look at baby. Ikaw, ate Kate. Kaya mo yan?
I don't know how it does.
Yeah. Sing, galing niya. Yung ganon. What do you call that dance? Floss, yeah. This one is?
I know it's with orange justice, yeah.
Okay. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. Yeah. Sit down. Hi guys, nakauwi na nga kami sa aming bahay after that long trip. Pina-experience lang namin sa mga bata ang pag-train, tram, and all. Tapos, umulan sa Frankfurt, pero masaya naman. Daming tao, busy as always, but kailangan pa rin mag-ingat, sumunod sa protocols, mask all the time whenever you're in an enclosed area. Pag sa open naman, pwede nang wala ng mask. So yun nga, ito na ang aming day. This is gonna be our day. Tapusin ko na tong vlog na to. Wala ang mga bata na. They went to their friend's house to play. Walang kapaguran. Mga bata talaga. Ang energy, fully charged the whole day. Pero tayo mga parents, ay nako, diba? Good luck naman. Lobat na tayo by 6 p.m. Yeah. So this is gonna be our day, and I want to thank you all for watching. Maraming salamat po sa panonood ng aming vlog. Sa inyo po mga nanonood, thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and mag-iingat po kayo palagi. Always take care of yourselves. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa aming mga bagong videos. And always remember, keep on smiling. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. God bless.